Do you suffer from floppy lever syndrome? Does your return spring not get you back up when you're done? I understand these problems. I don't claim to have a cure, but I do promise we're going to try to find one. Stay tuned. So you guys that tuned in to my Saturday live where I showed this know that I had a rather humorous time disassembling the entire chassis. I have it mounted up here in my little display and testing rig, but you can see the main problem is when you push down on the lever as you would to enter, and it retracts the latch, the lever stays down. Not only does it stay down, it's sort of floppy. Kind of have to jiggle both of them back up into place. Also, when you turn the outside lever up, the inside lever goes down. Then if we come around here to the back, you push in the button, which only wants to go in when this is just in the right place. The button doesn't pop back out. Now, normally you would twist it like that to keep it from popping out. However, when it's like this, it should pop out. But you have to hold up on the outside lever and push in. Also, when you push down on the inside lever and the front lever, the outside goes down. Yeah, just sort of flops. So we're going to see if we can't take this thing apart. Also, when you try to insert a key cylinder like this guy right here, key in, try to turn it 0 for 1. Yeah, it just does not want to go. The lever doesn't want to catch on. There it goes. So you can see we do have a key cylinder installed. Levers are still floppy. Inside lever's pushed. Inside lever still retracts the latch. Outside lever is locked. Insert the key. And the latch retracts. However, the button does not push out. So let's take this back apart and see what I screwed up. right, guys, so I guess the moral of the story is, before you complain about floppy lever syndrome, make sure you've got all your parts. Not having these little collars installed, I believe, made a huge difference. Also, the little bar that was in the chassis, I believe I had it turned vertically instead of horizontally, and that was impacting function here. The key cylinder is still, it works. However, it only works turning clockwise to retract the latch. And if you've noticed, just turning the key from the outside does not pop the button. Even if I apply a little bit of pressure to the outside lever, either up or down, whether it's down, it's like it's trying to come out, but it doesn't quite pop loose. Also, when I pull the inside lever, it also doesn't pop out. But if let's get it this way. If I apply some downward pressure on the outside lever and then pull up on the inside, it will pop the button. So you can see we're locked, downward, downward, and it pops out. So again, probably something that I screwed up in here. However, we are back to functioning. Both sides have a nice tight spring to them. I still would like to get this thing completely back functional the way that it's supposed to, which is where when this is pushed in, you rotate the inside handle and it pops out, just as you see like that. When it's pushed and turned, the inside button will never release, even if you use the key. And then also, the way that it's supposed to be is if you use the key from the outside, then this button will pop and release as well, so that your outside is locked. Like that. So anyway, appreciate you guys tuning in. It's a learning process for me, and I hope to hear back from those of you who have way more experience with these than I do. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. Questions or comments, leave them below. If I can't answer them, then hopefully somebody else will. But anyway, guys, hope y'all have a great day. Stay healthy, stay out of trouble, and we'll see you next time.